Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for reliable insights on top-tier home appliances. In today's video, we're taking a look at what we're calling the best GE Dehumidifier 50 Pint with Pump. But here's the twist. It's the HUMILABS 50 Pint Dehumidifier for home and basement use. And after diving deep into its features and real-world performance, we think this unit is going to be a game-changer for many households. Let's get started by talking about design and capacity. This unit is built to cover up to 4,500 square feet, making it ideal not just for bedrooms or living spaces, but especially for basements where humidity levels can become a serious issue. It features a generous 1.7-gallon water tank, or about 50 quarts, and can pull up to 50 pints of moisture out of the air per day, under ideal conditions of 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 90% humidity. That's industrial-grade power in a home appliance format. Now on to usability. What sets the HUMILABS dehumidifier apart is its multifunctional control panel. From the moment you power it up, it's clear this unit was built with user-friendliness in mind. It comes with several intelligent modes. There's a dehumidifying mode for standard use, drying mode for laundry or wet spaces, auto mode for set-it-and-forget-it convenience, and even a dedicated sleep mode for ultra-quiet operation at night. The 24-hour timer, dual-speed fan, and child lock feature round out the controls to give you full authority over your indoor climate. Speaking of smart features, the HUMILABS really shines in automation. It uses a humidity sensor to detect when the room is more than 3% above your selected humidity level and starts dehumidifying automatically. When the tank is full, it shuts off to prevent overflow, flashes a full tank indicator, and sounds an alarm. That means less worrying about checking the tank and more confidence it's handling the job on its own. Drainage is often a deal breaker in dehumidifiers, and this model gives you not one but two drainage options. If you prefer manual drainage, the alert system is more than sufficient to notify you when it's time. But if you're looking for something more hands-off, it also supports continuous auto drainage through an included drain hose. Perfect if you're running this unit in a basement or out-of-sight area and don't want to empty the tank daily. Noise levels are another important factor, especially for those planning to use it in bedrooms or family areas. The sleep mode reduces operational noise significantly, allowing for quiet overnight operation without compromising performance. It's not completely silent, but it's quiet enough to blend into the background without disrupting daily activities. One underrated feature that deserves more attention is the auto defrost and auto restart system. In colder environments, dehumidifiers are prone to freezing up, but this unit detects frost and defrosts automatically. Plus, if there's a power outage, the unit will restart with your previous settings once power is restored, which is a small but essential feature for peace of mind. And lastly, HUMILABS backs this dehumidifier with a solid 1-year warranty and a 30-day free exchange or refund policy. If you run into any issues, their technical support team is ready to step in, and that's crucial for long-term use in more demanding environments like basements or large living areas. That's it for this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Product Critique. Drop your questions or experiences with this unit in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.